I walk around the club. HOPE. This moment is surreal.
Crazy, my first time. Good, good. Well, maybe the first time and you get 1,000 on the first try. So let's run down. Here's the situation. You got 60 seconds to answer 10 questions. Every correct answer, you get $10. If you get all 10 right, you get $1,000, okay? We'll come back to it as long as we have time.
No es un problema de plomería, sino el problema va de aquí.
Enter it now at y100.com.
That don't mean nothing. When you tell me, you know how my team coming.
They was working. They was both working.
It was working up until recently?
Yeah.
The destination is on your right.
The new Sleep Number limited edition smart bed. Limited time. Exclusively in a Sleep Number store near you. Learn more.
Take the first left onto Northwest 23rd Street.
We buy the whole thing. See, most of my homies hustle, they still do their thing. I move back, I'm running right.
Have you got any other estimates or anything?
No. You were referred by someone in this complex, and you could.
Getting at me straight, but you know I don't care.